Hi everyone, I'm just recording the last year assembly performance. Please take the weekend to practice and as well as Monday and Tuesday, just so that you're confident, you feel comfortable. Make sure you're stomping on the beats of Iron Man, and make sure you're counting to get into the next steps, okay? We'll see you guys soon and good luck.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Something special, everything up in the magazine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rapping like this, I'm blowing up like I thought I would. Calling trips, same number, same but it's all good. And if you don't know, now you know. It's over. That's right. That's the biggest thing.
And that's the end of the dance. Please practice when you can this weekend. I would probably devote half an hour every day if that works and if you have time. But I really truly think that will help. Count the beats and just have fun, smile, and you guys are gonna rock it. Our pizza party will be on Tuesday. Second break, I'll send an email about that as well. And can't wait to celebrate with you girls and boys and to just have a great time on Tuesday and on our last day, Wednesday. Thank you so much. Thank you to all our Wildcat families. And congratulations to our dancer graduates too. We're gonna miss you girls. Mwah. Bye.